Hi guys, Pure Graphics once again. Today in this video, I'll be designing a WW letter logo using the shape builder tool in Affinity Designer. The essence is to give you an idea on how you can go about designing logos with letters in Affinity Designer. So let's get started. First, I have lines here. Take one to the center. I have a line here that I will duplicate a couple of times and place it accordingly to get what I want. So let's start by duplicating this one here, and then pick up the two and duplicate again. Okay, now I will select them all and rotate -45 degrees. Then now I will duplicate by hitting Ctrl J and then flip vertically. Then I will place this one here and duplicate 5 more times to have 6 lines there altogether. Now copy it to this other side also, and now I will highlight the whole thing. I will select the whole thing and pick up the shape builder tool, and now you can sit back and follow along as I draw out the logo. Okay guys, that's our logo. Now I can go ahead and copy it out. And that's our logo. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next tutorial.